Previously on Miles Zero Kitchen.
Oh yes. Um, Welcome to St. Pete.